If you want to change your signature in Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to update your email signature so every message you send looks more professional and stays up to date. Whether you want to add your name, job title, phone number, website, or even a simple brand message, Yahoo Mail makes it easy once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making helpful step-by-step videos for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on Settings to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, click More Settings. This is where Yahoo keeps the deeper customization options for your account, including your email signature settings. Once the More Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Writing Email. This section controls the way your outgoing emails are written and formatted. Now you should see the signature option. If you already have a signature set up, you'll see the current one here. If you don't have one yet, Yahoo may give you the option to create a new signature. Click into the signature box and start editing the text you want to use. You can change your signature to include your full name, your business name, your role, contact information, social media links, or a short professional closing line. Keep it clear and easy to read, especially if you use Yahoo Mail for work or customer communication. You can also remove old details if they're no longer accurate, so your emails always reflect your current information. If Yahoo Mail gives you formatting tools, you may also be able to adjust things like bold text, links, or font style. That can help make your signature look cleaner and more professional. Just remember to keep it simple so it displays nicely on desktop and mobile devices. Once you've finished editing your signature, make sure the changes are saved. In most cases, Yahoo Mail saves automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check before leaving the page. After that, go back to your inbox and compose a new email to test it. This lets you confirm that your new signature appears the way you want it to. If the signature doesn't show up right away, revisit the writing email settings and make sure the correct signature is selected and active for your account. Sometimes a small setting needs to be enabled before it appears in every new message, and that's it. You've successfully changed your signature in Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how polished your emails look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.